Hello Odoo users, welcome back to our channel. Today I will walk you through the demo of post-state shipping integration with Odoo. It mainly operates its operations in Austria. I'll walk you through the company and shipping level configurations in this video. This module operates in test and production environment. Key features of this integration are multi-pack and multi-label generation, tracking and cancellation of the shipments directly from the Odoo dashboard. So let's have a look. SS application or say module is downloaded from the Odoo Web Store. We will go and configure the company settings first. So let's go to settings, user and companies and go to companies. Here we have configured the demo database. So you will mention all the general information about the company and go to post-state configuration. As you check this box, you will mention all this information that is provided to you by post-state shipping provider. Once you mention all this information over here, we will go and configure the shipping settings. So for that, we will navigate to our sales module, open configuration and go to shipping methods. Here we have configured the posted shipping service. You will select provider from the drop down and see the configuration part. First is the company configuration. If you have more than one types of companies in your Odoo database, you can select any one of them to which post and shipping services applicable. Next is package types. So there are more than one types of packages. You can configure them in the drop down and select it as per the requirement. As you go to the internal link, you can mention the size of the boxes, select the courier and the courier code as well. Let's go back and see what is next. Next is the product code. So there are different types of product codes for the shipping provider. We have configured them over here, which you can select as per the requirements. Next is the paper layout. So there are different types of paper layout for them, and we have selected them. There is the label format as well. We have configured two types of label format, and you can select any one of them. Next is the label form, which we can say PDF or ZPL format, which you can select. Currently, we have selected PDF format of the label. So these are the basic shipping service configurations. Now we will go and create a sales order. So let's go to new, add some customer name and add some product. On adding the product, we'll add some more quantities and add the shipping from here. After adding the shipping, we will see the shipping method as posted shipping service and add it. On adding the same, we will confirm our sales order and go to the delivery order. Here we will divide this quantity into multiple packages. So I will divide 5 quantity in one pack. I will save it, use put in pack functionality and add some default package types. Next is I will add a line and add some more stock, that is pending 5 quantity, and repeat the same process of put in pack. Now all my quantities are saved and now I will go to additional information. Here you can see the courier as posted shipping service already selected. In case if you want to change or update, you can do it from the delivery order. As you validate this delivery order, tracking reference will be populated over here, labels will be generated, and the tracking smart button will be seen over here. You can also see the packages smart button where you can see multiple packages that you have created. Now everything seems fine, so let's validate it. Now on the validating, you will see two tracking references as we have created two packages and two labels in the PDF format will be generated. So as you can see, tracking reference, there are two tracking references over here and the label in the PDF format. You can see two test labels are generated. Here is the tracking smart button. So if you click on the same, you will be redirected to the posted tracking link. Here you can track your shipments directly. Next is the cancellation. So you can cancel your shipment directly from here. Currently we are in the staging purpose, so we might not be able to cancel it. And once you cancel it in the live version, you will see the log that will be generated over here in the log node. So these are the basic shipping configuration and the practical usage of the same. Let us know if you face any issues while you download this module for your Odoo web store. Our team will be there to help you out. Don't forget to share and subscribe this video for the future. You can also write back to us, to our team at support@rajatechnologies.com. Thank you.